Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create polls in WhatsApp for PC. Polls can be a great way to gather opinions and make group decisions. Let's dive right in. To begin, open WhatsApp on your PC. Once you're in, select any group where you want to create the poll. Look for the message box and locate the pin icon beside it. Click on the pin icon to proceed. Next, you'll see the poll icon. Click on it to open the Create Poll dialog box. This is where you'll be able to customize your poll. In the dialog box, enter your question. Make sure it's clear and concise. After that, add the options for your poll. You can add as many options as you'd like to provide variety for participants. Once you're satisfied with your question and options, hit the Send button. Your poll will be sent to the group, and members can now vote on their preferred option. And there you have it. You've successfully created a poll in WhatsApp for PC. Start gathering opinions and making group decisions with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.